Do you want to use Autotune and sound like a professional in your songs? I'm going to show you how to do it right now using BandLab. So here we have our track. I'll play for you what I've recorded with my singing that's not very in key. And we'll see how we'll see how Autotune can correct it.
On BandLab.
Okay.
Ooh,
Hit it, pal.
yeah, here I am on BandLab.
Okay, sounds pretty rough, but let me show you how we can correct it. So we click on the track that we want to change, and then we click the FX button, come down to auto pitch, which is what BandLab calls their Autotune. Turn it on right here, and there's a couple different types of Autotune we can use. The classic one that most of us are familiar with is Classic in Essentials. And with that on, I can hit play and it's gonna sound a lot better.
Ooh, yeah, here I am on BandLab. Ooh, yeah, here I am on BandLab.
It's that easy to use Autotune in BandLab. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.